Welcome, today in front of me Black Shark 5 Pro, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, just to do that, you should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one. And now we can see that we just created successfully the new home screen folder. If you wanna just rename this folder, just click once on the name and enter the new one. For example, the apps, then just tap to OK to the home button. And now we can see that we just successfully renamed our folder. We can move it on the screen here, just hold and drag it by this way. And we can also move these folders between the screens, and we can create the new screens for the folder. Just hold and drag it to the right side with your finger. If you wanna just where is it? If you wanna just what's going on? So if you wanna just remove the application from the home screen, just hold from the folder to the home screen, hold it and drag it here. And if you wanna remove the application from the folder and from the home screen, just hold it and drag it here to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application here in the apps menu. You will remove it only from your home screen and folder. Also, you can just remove all of the applications. For example, if you have 2 or more apps here into the folder, you can hold it and drag it also to remove icon, and you will remove all of the folder in one click. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.